Stay in the cut on the north side. Hella points, trigger fingers on my fucking phone. 5 demons rising out the crypt. I smoke me a fat line, never gave a fuck. Grew up by the mud.
What the fuck is going on right now? This motherfucking internet, man. Damn. I be scrolling. Upside down. Then go. I be scrolling. Upside down. Then go. I was checking on my phone while I'm stretching on my backbone. What's up with this timeline? Really got me into that zone. I'm in it for real when this shit just got real. Everybody getting mad, somebody tell me what's the deal. From political bullshit to Yeezy and his new shit, I really don't give a fuck with Sharini and what you did. For real though, give me something I need to know. Forget all that, looking for something can make me grow. I be scrolling, upside down, then go. I be scrolling, upside down, then go. Be scrolling, upside down, then go. I be scrolling, upside down, then go. Now why the hell people believe in fake medias or all that status showing that you're needy? And if you do, please get a job. I mean, I got mine, but here I'm just doing some fine hip hop. Unlike dissing all the time, killing and saying that your head is mine. Man, I'd rather find some cat video, but the cat was smelling a dead rat, and that's nasty. Holy shit! I be scrolling, upside down.